I think it's an excellent song, extremely catchy. The beat's just real nice and sits real nice in your head when you're listening to it. The band itself is really great. The variety and diversity in it is excellent. Any of his earlier stuff is just great. This early thousands, late 90s, that was when it was right coming around, prime stuff right there. The newer stuff is alright, but